Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Good morning. It is early 8 a.m. on, today is Saturday. So hope everybody is doing well, having a lovely day so far this morning. I don't know what my day is going to consist of, but I just wanted to come in and say good morning. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so tired. I'm not going to do a lot today. I'm going to use this day to just enjoy myself. Ooh, and relax. Let me see if I can put y'all over here. I can talk to y'all for a minute. Yeah, I'm just going to use this day to relax. I do know that I'm going to show you guys me making this coffee when I'm done here. And then I'm going to probably go back in the bedroom and lay down for a minute. I'm going to plug in 2 clips from yesterday of the those lights under there, how that looks, and then the light in the bathroom. But yeah, it's supposed to get up to 47 degrees today. No, 57. So I am going to wash Lady Blue today. I'm going to do that. And that's really about it. I don't have anything to clean. That's a wonderful thing when you don't have to clean your house or anything like that. I got my diffuser going over there. I have my candle lit over there. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all probably can see. But let me go ahead while I'm talking and let me change the date here in my office. Y'all, I cannot believe the time is winding down. And she's been sticking to her Vlogmas. So today is December the 9th already, y'all. Already. So I'm going to go ahead and make this coffee and then I'll see you guys momentarily, okay? I almost forgot to show y'all my new robe. It is basically like the couch. So y'all see the couch is the supposed to be like the sheep, the blue clay. That's what my robe is. And if you're wondering, I did thrift this for like $1.50 and it is Old Navy. But I love it. It's so comfortable and it does the job. So I got 3 robes now. My black one with the white trimming, my camel color one, and this cream one, the blue clay one. So let's go make the coffee. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed that tutorial of me making my good old fresh iced coffee at home. You ain't got to go to Starbucks. You can go if you want, but she don't have to go. She can save her coins. But let me show y'all what I did right here. Look, y'all. Look at my beautiful oil diffuser. I told y'all This is grapeseed oil. I told you guys I was going to do it, so I don't even have to look no more for one of those things. And then let me take y'all over here to show you all. Look at this. Y'all, look at that. Beautiful. Now, I'll throw in a picture before and after. This is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that, y'all. See what I'm saying? How it makes a statement. The white shelf was a quarter before at that quarter place on Thursdays, guys. Look at my little thing here. Glass cleaner, dishwashing liquid, and this is just regular household cleaner. Beautiful, right? Let me know what y'all think. Okay guys, in this part of the video, I'm just putting on my riding boots because I think I'm going to go ahead and attempt to go for a walk today. And for all that you know that I suffer sometimes with a little bit of heel pain on my left heel, if I wear heel boots or heels, it will work fine. So that's the reason why I'm wearing the boots today. But in the meantime, while I was getting on boots, I'm like, wait a minute, I can see some like spider webs out here underneath my closet made thing. And I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna go get the vacuum and I'm gonna vacuum this stuff up. So it got me to doing some other stuff. Sorry guys for bending over. I know you can probably see through my pants a little bit, but I don't mean any harm. I didn't do that on purpose or anything. I'm seeing it right now as I'm editing this video. So I decided to move my luggage bag, my luggage underneath my shoe rack. So I think it looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw on my cardigan and give you guys an outfit of the day, and I'm gonna get ready to roll out of here in a minute. So I hope you guys enjoy this part of the video. Keep on watching. I'll see you in the next part. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, I thought I'd come back on real quick. I want to thank a lot of y'all. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to these videos every single day, for liking them, for sharing them, for just saying that they make your day or whatever. I'm going to give all of this to the Most High God who helps me do this, because it takes a lot of work, y'all, to put up a video every day. I'm going to make this 1 minute long. But I just want to thank y'all. Nina, I thank you. I just seen yours come across. Thank you so much. Y'all, like I said, share it. Continue to share it. I signed up for this. I'm one of those people that if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do my best to do that. That's just me, who I am. There's a lot of people who don't, you know, you'll say you're going to do something and you don't do it. I'm a very loyal person, although some people may not be. But y'all might not get what y'all want to see every day. But for the most part, I'm going to try to bring y'all some good content. But I'm on my way, and I'll see you guys back when I get ready to watch Lady Blue. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Oh, and give honor and praise today to the Most High for waking us up today, because he didn't have to do that. I give him honor, and I give him, Lord, I thank you for always covering me, for always being there for me every single day. Even when times be hard and it be so much going on, he is still good to us. And y'all better thank him. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I'm back. I had to take me a break for a minute, but I'm done washing my truck, and trust me, she's clean. But I'm trying to get this video to y'all early. It is currently 4:55. I'm sitting here watching. This is a good movie for y'all who like movies. I'm having me some strawberry, cranberry, and blueberry smoothie, but it's frozen like ice cream. While I watch this movie called The Christmas Karen. It's crazy, y'all. If y'all into movies, go check it out. It's funny. So let me go in the kitchen because I've been kind of neglecting, not a whole lot, but I need to put up a video on my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. And for all of y'all who are new, go over and check out my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I will be posting a video today. I need to go make some soup, all right? So I need to go in the kitchen and go get my items together to make this soup, y'all. All right, y'all, so let me get my stuff out. That is so good. But anyway, guys, go and check out the other channel. Not right now this second, but check me out in about, before the night is over, hopefully I'll have the video out, okay? If not, check back in the morning, okay? So I'm gonna just get my stuff out so I can make this, vegetable soup. Oh, I forgot it was a phone there. Forgot it was a spoon in there. So guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. And guess what? Always remember to what? Love yourself so that you can love others. So this world will be a what? A much better place, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. All right?